All right, so in this lesson, we're gonna go over some of really the most important stuff that you should be doing, all right? And that's Facebook Live videos. Those are one of the most important things that you should be doing. I've made a lot of money on Facebook Lives. Like, I've literally done Facebook Lives, screen sharing my ClickFunnels account, and watched sales come in while I'm on the actual live video, because live video is one of the biggest things that Facebook actually pushes out, is that live content. Facebook loves to actually show people your live video because there's a lot of engagement that happens on live video, all right? And your live video, your live video is great because, I mean, for me, my live video is great. I got a freaking monkey. Who gets to see that? I mean, who gets to see a monkey just come on your head? No, I mean, you don't, it's not a regular thing that you get to see. But the live video is great because people get to see you. They get to hear your voice, and that subliminally, subconsciously begins to actually get them connected with you. When you just write words, and that's all you do is write words, those things are useful, and those posts are very useful, but I guarantee you, if you ever test it out, you're going to get more engagement and you're going to get more results if you take those words and you put them in a live video and you make a live video on it, all right? You'll get a lot more engagement. People like to watch live content. Why is that? Because if you go on Facebook, and again, it's really hard for me to show you a lot of this stuff because I don't have any Facebook friends anymore because I'm only accepting friends that pay me $7 a month for this course and case study. But if you go down and if you see somebody's post, all right, and they make these posts like this, how many of these are like that? You get a lot of posts like that. There's a lot of posts that are big posts, lots of reading. You get tired of that and you're stopped. You can't get any more information, all right? With the live video, that's not the case. With the live video, if you start watching that live video, then once you scroll down, that live video stays right here where you can continue to watch it. You can continue to get all the information, and you can also, scroll down Facebook and keep getting more stuff. So you're going to get a lot more engagement because if you do this post right here, if I'm not 100%, with a post, once you lose my focus and my attention in a post, I'm scrolling down. All right. As soon as I get to a point where I'm reading, I'm no longer really interested, I'm scrolling down. Same thing with the video. All right. It's the same thing with the video. When I'm watching a live video, once I get to a point where I'm no longer really interested in that live video, I'm scrolling down. But the good thing about the video is as I'm scrolling down, the video stays there. I can still hear the video, I can still see the video, and you still have plenty of chances and plenty of opportunities to get me to re-engage with that video because you've got my attention again. You pulled my attention back in again. You can't do that with a post because once I lose attention, I'm scrolling down, your post is gone. All right. So you should be doing lives for sure. If you've never done a live video and you're scared about it, don't be fucking scared. If you've never done a live video and you don't know what to talk about, who cares? Talk about whatever you want. Tell stories, talk about whatever you want until you're actually comfortable going live. Talk about how you hate going live. I see a lot of different people and they get stuck up on the live video and they're like, oh, well, I don't know what to talk about. So I don't go live. That's just an excuse. You do know what to talk about. I mean, if you don't know what to talk about, how the fuck you keep making Facebook posts? You talk about that same stuff that you just talk about that. So for sure, go live. You want to go live. Your audience is going to engage with you, and your audience is going to like you so much more and connect with you so much more when they hear your voice and they see your face. So live videos are one of the biggest tools that you can use. And you can't really see it, and you'll learn why you can't see it in this next lesson that we'll do. But if on any day, if you scroll down my Facebook page, you'll see it's one of the biggest things that I do. I mean, I go live quite a bit of time. I spend a lot of time I spend a lot of time going live, and there's a reason that I spend so much time going live, and it's because you get good engagement on there. I mean, whenever you have somebody on your live, whenever you have somebody George, whenever you have somebody on your live video, they're literally tuned into you. They're literally engaged with you. That is your time to literally talk to them. All right. So you want to be going live. Things that I would not recommend doing when you're going live is, and there's a lot of things I wouldn't recommend. What I would recommend is be yourself. All right. Don't try to be everybody else. I see a lot of people where, you know, some little trendy post, some little trendy engagement sucking post will get posted on Facebook, and you'll see so many people that just go in and copy that post, and they're share that post and share that post because they saw that person, you know, share it. Don't try to be like everybody else. Be yourself. You're never going to stand out if you try to be like everybody else. Be yourself. And whenever you're doing the live videos as well, apply the same concept. I mean, whenever you're doing a live video, if you don't need to tell people hashtag replay, you don't need to tell people hashtag live, you don't need to tell people, you know, hit the like button, hit the heart button, you don't need to tell people share this post, you don't need to tell people, you know, tag your friends. You can do all that for sure. And if you do that, if you watch other people's Facebook lives, if you do that, you're going to be just like every other fucking average marketer out there doing the exact same thing. If you do that, from my opinion, and again, like I said in my disclaimer, these are all just my personal thoughts. In my opinion, you're much better off providing a content that naturally gets people to like it. You're much better off providing a content that gets people to naturally want to share it. Okay? Why do people do this hashtag? Does anybody know why people, you always see these people and they're like, hashtag live if you're on the live, hashtag replay if you're on the replay? Does anybody know why people does that?
For engagement?
For engagement, 2 reasons. Because everybody else fucking does it, and they think that in order for my lives to be successful, I need to do the same shit everybody else does, and for engagement, all right? So, what do you want engagement for? You want engagement for the sake of engagement? Some people, yes. You want engagement so that the Facebook algorithm goes in and sees your post and shares it to more people. Great. I'm not saying you don't want engagement. You do want engagement. You want to know what's better than hashtag live if you're on the live, hashtag replay if you're on the replay. You want to know what's a lot better? Oh, hey, Bobby, thanks for joining today. I'm glad you're here. I love it when you come to my videos. Hey, how you doing, man? Tell me how you're doing. I'm really curious how you're doing. How's your wife doing? You fucking ask somebody a question. They're going to go in and answer that. If you ask somebody a question, call them out directly, you know, they're going to answer that question, and you're going to get your engagement that you wanted. And not only are you going to get your engagement, you're going to get a fan. You're going to get somebody that's actually communicating with you, as opposed to just like a robot typing hashtag live. All right. So again, if you guys want to do it, knock yourself out, do it all day, every day. I personally don't like it. Most of the time, to be honest, whenever I watch videos, whenever people start hashtagging live and replay, I just move on to the next shit, because I'm just like, okay, there's not going to be anything here. Other things I would not recommend that you do is just, let's wait for a couple minutes, guys. Let's just wait. You know, let a couple more people get on here. Let's let a couple more people hop on here. Make small talk. If you've got people who come to watch your Facebook Live and you're just going to tell them, hey, you're not important enough yet, you just wait until somebody else comes here. Well, how would you feel? So instead of doing that, instead of telling people, you know, hey, just wait, I'm going to get some more people on here. Let's let some more people join. Make small talk. Talk to them. Ask them other questions, and don't just say, okay, hey, wait, okay, wait. Engage with the people who are already there waiting on you. I'm not saying that you gotta, if you're gonna teach something and you're gonna go over something on your Facebook Live, that you can't wait for more people to get there. But don't tell people, hey, we're just gonna wait for more people. Engage with them on other stuff and get them to actually engage in your video on other stuff. Because whenever you do that, whenever you tell people, you know, hey, let's just, you know, we're going to wait another 60 minutes or something, just let some more people on. So just hold on, guys. We're going to get some more people on. They're not engaging with your shit. I mean, ain't nobody saying, yeah, let's wait, commenting on there. But if you just engage with them and you start asking them questions and try to get them to actually interact with you, you're going to get even more people hopping on, because now those people are actually going to be commenting on your post and liking your post. Tell them a joke, do something, but just don't tell them, you know, hey, let's wait for more people, or do it if you want to. I mean, if that's what you want to do, do it. I just wouldn't do it myself, and I don't think it's a good thing for you to be doing for the people who you want to get to buy your stuff, because you're basically telling them that they're not very important. They're not near as important as the other people that are there. So,
John, I got a question.
For sure.
So I haven't done a Facebook Live yet, so I apologize if this is a dumb question, but the lives, you do them straight from your phone, or you can do them from within your personal profile as well, or do you do it in a Facebook group? You can do it anywhere.
All of the above. So you can go live from your phone, from the Facebook app.
Okay.
You can go live from your phone. You can go live from your personal profile. You can go live in a group. If you go live from your computer, then you're able to share your screen. Or you can use software. So you can use software. I use Minicam. It's they've got a free version that's watermarked, and they've got a paid version as well. And Minicam allows you. So in Facebook, if you go live from your desktop, you're able to share your screen, but that's it. You can't share. I mean, you can either share your camera or you can share your screen. It's one or the other. You can't do both. All right. And you can't switch back and forth while you're in the live. But if you use software like Minicam, then you can use Minicam, and then you can switch back and forth whenever you want. You can have a picture in a picture. You can add words. You can add banners. So there's several other softwares like that allow you to do that. Be Live. There's other software platforms that actually stream with Facebook and allow you to go live through that platform, and then they stream your live video to Facebook. Like Restream will allow you to do that. And Restream will actually, I'm pretty sure it's Restream that will allow you to pre-record videos and then upload those pre-recorded videos and stream them as they're actually live. Like,
so are you doing it on Zoom right now and Facebook Live, this presentation?
No, but you can if you use Zoom Webinar. If you use the Zoom Webinar, then you can have a Zoom session and stream it live to Facebook at the same time.
Okay, cool.
But for sure, you for sure want to be going live, because that really helps you get engagement from your audience. And you'll find that once somebody engages with your stuff, they're going to engage again. Once somebody looks at your stuff and engages it, they're going to look out for you the next time. All right. So don't forget your lives. Don't plead for engagement for people. You know, create content that's engaging. Create content that people want to engage in, and instead of having to actually ask people to give it to you. Because if you have to ask people to give it to you, you're not going to get near as much as if you just make it engaging and make people actually want to engage in it. So for sure, don't forget that. And, you know, say hi to people, talk to people. These people, they're real people watching your live. Whenever you see them come, you know, thank them, say hi to them. You know, whenever people just join, Facebook gives you the ability to wave to them, wave to those people, tell them hi, you know, thank them for actually, for joining your live, because that's going to also, when you're calling them out and talking to them, they're going to feel special. That's going to, you know, get them to, that's going to get them to engage with you. And then if you go catch their live, and if they were watching your live video and you call them out, you know, you're like, hey, Shelly, thanks for coming. How are you doing? Well, guess what? If you go watch their live video, then if they see that, they're probably going to call you out too and be like, oh, hey, John, thanks for coming to my live. And subconsciously, the same thing's happening. You're leveraging their audience, and their audience is automatically becoming familiar with you, because that person that they're watching live, if you're watching somebody live and they say hi to somebody else, you just automatically give that person recognition, and your brain subconsciously automatically recognizes that person there because somebody else mentions them. So for sure, talk to them and tell them hi, you know, ask their opinions. If you want to, If you want to ask for engagement, there's nothing wrong with asking for engagement. But like I said, when you ask for engagement, ask somebody how they're doing. You know, ask somebody how the weather is like there for small talk. Where don't just say, you know, hey, hashtag live, hashtag replay, keyword this, keyword that, or do it. Like I said, or do it. I don't think you should be doing that, and I personally never do that myself. And the only time I do that is literally when I'm making fun of other people for doing it. It's the only time I ever do that is when I'm just making fun of other people for doing it nonstop. So make sure you go live. If you haven't went live yet, please do that. And try to do that multiple times until you're just really comfortable being on live camera. And the more that you go live, the more that you spend time doing that, the more likely you are to actually make sales.